Hey guys, it's Gingy here, and I just figured out how to run multiple graphics cards in a system to take the load off of your main and put it onto another one if you're going to stream or record videos or something. So I just wanted to share because I couldn't find anything online about it. It was really difficult to figure out, but it actually turned out being pretty simple after some digging through NVIDIA control panel. I figured it out. So basically, let's say you have, like me, you got your main GPU, then you have your secondary GPU. Yours will probably show 0% right now because you're not recording. As I'm recording right now, of course, it's going to use my second graphics card because I've already done it. But I'll show you. So let's say you want to use your main GPU just for everything, but if you're streaming or something, you don't want that load to be put on your main graphics card because you want the maximum performance possible. So you put another graphics card in your system. Here's what you do. Right click your desktop. Go to the NVIDIA control panel. Now, make sure you manage 3D settings. Now what you're going to do is you take this and you scroll down until you find OpenGL Rendering GPU. Set this to your main graphics card that you want to game on. For me, I have an RTX3060 as my main graphics card. I'm upgrading soon, but yeah. Got my 3060 selected. You just click here. Comes in like a drop down. So you can go ahead and do that. And then make sure when you close it, you save it. Then, when you go into your game, you will see that you're getting your full performance. So real quick, I'll just go into we'll go into a practice game and I'll just mess around in there and I'll just watch my FPS. I was getting about 120, 130 when I was using both graphics cards. And now that I have the main selected and have the 1650 running the stream, I'm getting closer to 220 to 240. Right there I just hit 250 something. So it's definitely doable. Now the game won't use the 1650 at all, or your secondary graphics card at all. It'll only use your main. Now real quick, I'll show you how to use your second graphics card in OBS. So here's OBS. I've been dabbling in VTubing. I just got a model. Don't judge me. But here's what you do. So you go into your OBS and go to the bottom left of the settings. You're going to go to Output. You're going to go ahead and go into the Advanced Output mode. You're going to scroll down. Make sure your encoder is set to NVIDIA NVENC. Set your bitrate. Standard on YouTube and Twitch, usually 6,000 for 1080p. So do 6,000. Make sure you're doing CBR. The preset is either high or quality. I don't remember the settings that are in there. It's either quality or the one underneath it. And then for the profile, I would set it as high. And then go to your graphics card here. Make sure it's not 0. Select 1. Once 1 is selected, you can hit done and you restart the application. Once you restart the application, This will be able to use the 1650, and nothing else on your system will. Now, as far as anything else you want to use the 1650, that has to be done manually. You have to set that program to use just that graphics card. I'm not 100% sure how to do that. I know you can, but that part's on you. I'm just trying to show you how to run OBS or Streamlabs on your secondary graphics card. That way you're not having any performance loss when streaming or recording video. Ever since I switched my secondary graphics card into the system, which was literally 15 minutes ago, maybe 20 minutes ago, I don't know. And I did this, I have noticed quite the performance improvement. I used to have dropped frames, and I don't anymore, which is cool. It's extremely awesome. It's funny, I was literally thinking, I was like, I'm going to get an Elgato internal capture card and then do that. And I don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. If you have a secondary graphics card laying around, or you want to get a used graphics card for cheap from someone, instead of paying, $150 to $300, depending on what capture card you were looking at, instead you can pay $50 to $100, get another graphics card, or if you have another graphics card hanging around, you can just throw that in your system, make OBS or Streamlabs use the secondary graphics card, and have all your other programs use your main. It's definitely solved a lot of problems for me. I am no longer having issues in terms of performance when I'm streaming or recording videos. So, yeah, I hope I help someone out. I know I couldn't find much online, so I guess that's cool. If you like this video, drop a like, subscribe, hit that bell, I don't upload a ton, but I would like to start uploading more. So, yeah. Feedback is very welcome. Peace.